Hello everyone, welcome to day 13 of our 15 days AWS challenge. We are almost at the finish line. Let's test your knowledge with today's MCQs. Question 1. Which AWS service allows secure file sharing directly with external users without requiring AWS credentials? A. Amazon Work Docs. B. Amazon S3 pre-signed URLs. C. AWS Data Sync. Or D. Amazon FSx. The correct option is B. Amazon S3 pre-signed URLs. Question 2. Which AWS service is most suitable for running interactive SQL queries directly on S3 data? A. Amazon RDS. B. Amazon Redshift Spectrum. C. Amazon Athena. Or D. AWS Glue. The correct option is C. Amazon Athena. Question 3. Which AWS service can be used to schedule Lambda functions without setting up cron jobs manually? A. Amazon Step Functions. B. Amazon Event Bridge. C. AWS Batch. Or D. AWS CloudFormation. The correct option is B. Amazon Event Bridge. Question 4. Which AWS service is designed to deliver secure low latency content globally? A. Amazon Route 53. B. AWS Global Accelerator. C. Amazon CloudFront. Or D. AWS Transit Gateway. The correct option is C. Amazon CloudFront. Question 5. Which AWS service provides centralized monitoring of cost anomalies? A. AWS Cost Explorer. B. AWS Budgets. C. AWS Cost Anomaly Detection. Or D. AWS Trusted Advisor. The correct option is C. AWS Cost Anomaly Detection. Question 6. Which AWS database is graph-based and optimized for relationships? A. Amazon RDS. B. Amazon Neptune. C. Amazon DynamoDB. Or D. Amazon Elasticache. The correct answer is B. Amazon Neptune. Question 7. Which AWS service automatically provisions SSL or TLS certificates for free? A. AWS Secrets Manager. B. AWS Private CA. C. AWS Certificate Manager. Or D. Amazon GuardDuty. The correct option is C. AWS Certificate Manager. Question 8. Which AWS service helps run Kubernetes applications without managing control planes? A. Amazon ECS. B. Amazon EKS. C. AWS Fargate. Or D. Amazon Lightsail. The correct option is B. Amazon EKS. Question 9. Which AWS service enables large-scale data movement from on-premises to cloud via physical devices? A. Amazon Data Sync. B. AWS Snowball. C. AWS Glue. Or D. Amazon FSx. The correct option is B. AWS Snowball. Question 10. Which AWS service provides a low-cost archival storage option with retrieval in minutes or hours? A. Amazon S3 Standard. B. Amazon S3 Intelligent Tiering. C. Amazon S3 Glacier. Or D. Amazon FSx. The correct option is C. Amazon S3 Glacier. Question 11. Which AWS service allows developers to test infrastructure as code templates before deployment? A. AWS CloudFormation Guard. B. AWS Config. C. AWS Control Tower. Or D. AWS Inspector. The correct option is A. AWS CloudFormation Guard. Question 12. Which AWS service is specifically designed for real-time audio transcription? A. Amazon Poly. B. Amazon Translate. C. Amazon Transcribe. Or D. Amazon Recognition. The correct option is C. Amazon Transcribe. Question 13. Which AWS service is best for building event-driven workflows using visual state machines? A. Amazon Lambda. B. AWS Step Functions. C. Amazon Event Bridge. Or D. AWS Code Deploy. The correct option is B. AWS Step Functions. Question 14. Which AWS service helps companies detect fraud using ML without requiring ML expertise? A. Amazon SageMaker. B. Amazon Comprehend. C. Amazon Fraud Detector. Or D. AWS Detective. The correct option is C. Amazon Fraud Detector. Question 15. Which AWS service provides a virtual desktop solution for remote users? A. Amazon AppStream 2.0. B. Amazon Workspaces. C. AWS Cloud 9. Or D. AWS Outposts. The correct option is B. Amazon Workspaces. That wraps up day 13. How many did you get right? Comment below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to stay with us till the end.